If the call recording option is not showing on your iPhone, it is likely because you need to enable it in the settings or ensure your device is running iOS 18.1 or later, which is required for the feature. So, first of all you have to do is open the Settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Then, once inside the Settings app, verify your iPhone is updated to the latest version. Tap on the General option available there, and once you tap on the General, tap on the Software Update and check if you have the version of iOS 18, ideally 18.1 or later, and then check your phone settings to ensure call recording is enabled. Now all you have to do is go back, scroll down till the bottom, and tap on the Apps option available there. Now from the list of apps, all you have to do is scroll and look for the phone app and simply tap on it. Once inside the phone app, scroll down and tap on the call recording option available there and make sure that it is enabled. If it is still not visible, then consider a forced restart of your phone or resetting all settings. But be aware that call recording availability may also be reason specific. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.